Hi, welcome to this tutorial on blocking rooms, either for the closed season or for scheduled maintenance. Let's have a look where that happens. Now, the rooms are set up in the business structure, and to work with the rooms, we need to go there. Let's go to Administration, Business Structure. Under Business Structure, let's just open a second screen to make this a bit easier for you. There we will see that is your business structure here and the rooms that are available. Let's look at luxury suites in Mara. We'll select that and we'll go in and edit and view. Over here we have a tab, block rooms. Click on block rooms and we can either block all of the rooms or a specific one. Let's just block one of those. So we select block a room and then we click on rooms to choose which room to block. Select room 1. Okay, and what dates do we want to block that for? Let's call it from the 16th to the 18th of September. Scheduled maintenance, and we'll add that. As we add, it just stacks that blocking and the reason for there underneath. Right, let's go back to the calendar and see what it looks like for the 16th to the 18th on luxury suites. 16th to the 18th over there. You can see there's no rooms, but let's swap our calendars now to the occupancy calendar. Go to the top at the right, click on go to occupancy, and for the same time 16 to 18, let's have a look here. Blocked rooms, there we have it. One room blocked for scheduled maintenance, room number 1. Let's just do that again. There we go. Blocked for 1 day only. And blocked rooms tab, there we go. Let's do that again, but blocking rooms for a month in the closed season. And we will choose, in this case, let's say the standard suites, and we will look over to our business structure, and we will say standard suites, edit view, and block rooms. Choose all rooms and block them. Let's assume the closed season might have been the 1st of October. To the 31st. And the reason? Recorded. Add that on to the year 2015. Add that. There we go. Blocked for October in 2015. All rooms on standard in Mara. Let's save and close that. Okay, now let's go back to the calendar in October 2015. Standard suites, you can see all grayed out, and in terms of the legend, grayed out, blocked, no rooms available for sale. We hope you found the short tutorial on blocking rooms either for maintenance or closed season useful.